Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl. In this problem, we're asked to find the domain and the range of a function of several variables. The function that we're looking at is x times the square root of y. Now, if we take a look at this particular function, we have a product of x and root y. And there's no restriction on x. You can plug anything you want in for x. However, we know that because you're taking the square root of y, it's not going to work if y is a negative number. So we know that y has to be greater than or equal to 0. Now, another way of picturing what the domain is going to be is to look at it on a Cartesian plane. Remember, I know that y has to be 0 or greater. So that's going to be the top of my graph. X can be anything I want, so it could be either quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. So if I draw a line right along the x-axis and shade everything above it, any point in this shaded region has a y-coordinate that's greater than or equal to 0 and an x-coordinate that's not restricted at all. All right, so that's the domain. Now let's talk about the range. The range are the set of output values. And if you take a look again at our function, we know that the square root of y will always give me a positive answer. I should make that positive answer or 0. But because I'm multiplying by x and there's no restriction on x, that means that the total product can be anything. So the range will be any value from negative infinity to positive infinity. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.